Small caps do exceptionally well today in this bullish market. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, April 8th, 2015. Today's my racquetball night, and we want to go and take a look here at the markets. Now, I'm going to have a little bit of what might come out to be a rant at the end of this video. We'll just see where I go here. Anyway, S&P up 0.34%, the diamond's up 0.2%, or the Dow, Nasdaq up 0.8%, and the small caps up 0.9%. Very, very good, sizable run on small caps. Anytime you have that, it's usually the underlying market's fairly bullish when you see that. However, I'd like to have confirmation with the banks. Did not get that today. The bank's actually down subpar by 0.2%. Gold down by almost 0.6%, and a big sell-off on silver, down 2%. Really glad not holding silver any longer. Anyway, here, taking a look at the markets today, we did go bullish, but it's just not that bullish. To be quite frank, I'm not convinced that we're even going to reach this upper resistance point. If that is the case, I foresee at best just chopping sideways before it makes a big move either up or down. It's starting to pinch here. Pay special attention to these trend lines. If you don't have trend lines drawn like this, I'll bring in some more data so you can do this yourself. I'm using TradingView, by the way, tradingview.com. You can get these charts free of charge if you want real-time data, small fees, nothing. I mean, it's a great service, to be quite frank. I got rid of my e-signal for it. So here, you'll draw these lines. Very, very important to us. Let's go here to the NASDAQ. Take a look at this. Even the NASDAQ came up, slammed its head against resistance yesterday and pulled back. Today it slammed its head against it again, but stayed there. The question is, will we remain above the 20-day moving average, or will we break through? Anybody's guess, but I can tell you this. We're at resistance, and it has stalled there twice now, 2 consecutive days. Be interesting to see what happens there. Now, on the banks, here's the big problem with banks. No one knows this but us, and the reason you know it is because you stay very close to us here at Grok Trade. But we got a trend line: support, support, support. Today we closed below that support. That is relative weakness, big time, and I see this 20-day moving average being a little bit of support here. But to close out the week, Thursday and Friday, it needs to get back above this, and now, and very quickly. If it does not do that, I see red bleeding out here. If the financials start to bleed out, the rest of the markets will certainly follow. Okay, so let me get into a trade here, YY. Now, you guys might have heard me talk about YY. This company here is something that I jumped into, and today it popped. I mean, this dude's up more than 8% today, just a big boom to the upside, doing exceptionally well. I happen to be holding this. Well, today, if you follow me, it looks like we got 15 new followers here, but if you come to the website, you can follow me. Well, I posted today long, so I added to my position here on the long side of YY. So for example, if I click on the little, you'll see this right here, it's a little light bulb. If you click on this, you'll get these little dots that will pop up. It's showing up as triangles for me because I'm logged in as myself. But today I posted this. So if I click on this, it'll tell you what I said. Go down here, I said YY has been beat down as of recently and has finally made its move upward. This trade is from our Grok's stat picks list. Now, I posted that, and this gentleman, well-respected individual here, says, well, sorry for mentioning it, but it isn't kind of after the fact post, right? So if you had posted it earlier around 55 with a technical reason why, you know, he goes on to talk about this. Well, I put back, you know, I respond back to him. Now, since I responded back to him, I told him that I did, in fact, post earlier. This wasn't an after the fact. If you go back, actually, I'm the only one that has posted an idea on this. And you'll see that I did this on, this was March 18th. Talked about going long here on this double bottom pulled back. Could have probably entered on this pullback. I chose not to. And today on the breakout of this resistance, I re-added to my position. So I told him in the note, if you go and read it, that I will even post my trade today so you could just see it for yourself. And so I'm going to go get that and bring this into the video just to appease this guy. Okay, so this is a snapshot of Interactive Brokers. Now, Interactive Brokers is the choice broker that I use for all my trading. And you will notice a couple things. I've talked about my trade in Baba, talked about my trade in GoPro, talked about my trade in, these trades I put in through TradingView, but they're not that popular, so I don't talk about them. And I was in silver since got out of that, was in PM since got out of that, and every dollar that I have I treat as an employee. My employees have to be making me money, not losing me money. If they start losing me money, I fire them. You're done. However, if you're making me money, not only do I keep you, but I add to that position. So I added to my YY position. I have a total of 1,000 positions on there, and I've had it for a while. So, so today it popped. I mean, today alone it made me over, $6,000 just this one trade. Overall, I'm up almost 8,000 on this one trade. Happy about that. That's a good trade for the short amount of time that I've held this one. And what PM that I got out of, made under 1,000. I mean, I'll take it, no big deal. FET, I'm still in this one, and that one, it's up 1,000. Baba, up 1,000. So, oh no, actually PM, it doesn't show what I'm up or down. Oh, I didn't go get that. I'm up almost 1,000 in GoPro. Sorry. Anyway, FET and YY, let me tell you how I got those. We have a new product that we just got started, and I want to show people, I don't have a product that doesn't work. So for example, we just added, if you go to Grok Trade, you go to Stock Picks, there's one called Statistical Picks. Has nothing to do with chart patterns, has nothing to do with fundamentals, has everything to do with statistics. Well, if you go here and get this list, it's done by Bill Stark. He's just a genius at this stuff. But and you get 2 weeks free, Stat Picks 2. If you decide to do it, make sure you put in the special code. But anyway, the bottom line is, the reason I'm showing that to you is because these are trades that I picked off of that list, and I'm trading them. Now, it wouldn't be right of me to put all my picks on TradingView because it's a service that we charge for, but I put a lot of them as freebies. If you follow me, you're going to benefit by that. So with all that said, I certainly do my best to do shout outs on TradingView of trades that I think are technically set up or fundamentally strong, or those that are statistically poised to go northbound. So if you want to follow me, great. If you don't want to follow me, don't follow me. No big deal. I don't get anything at all for posting here at TradingView. I do use their service, and I've sent a ton of people to TradingView. A lot of people have signed up for this, which I'm happy because this is what I'm using. Anything that I could do to make your trading better, that is a good thing. So if you're just learning to trade, make sure you go to the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Here are the steps, pretty simple. Take the 101 steps first. Take that, it's free. I cover the costs for your education for the 101s. Go through that. After that, you need to pony up and take the second step. The second step is 201s. Get signed up for the 201s, learn how to trade. Then the 301s, which is the mentoring program. That's where you get lifelong mentoring, where we hold your hand to the duration of you learning to trade. We're here for you. And we give you a lot of excellent professional education. It's steps 1, 2, 3. That's it, 1, 2, 3. And that's what we do to help you. So hope this video is educational and helpful to you. And if so, share it with a friend. Catch you later.